really bad weather we're having.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah, it's awful.
What the fuck is going on? Why? Who are you? What do you want?
Nothing. I'm just saying hi.
What the fuck is wrong with your mouth? Get out!
I don't speak English. Do you know how far the cafeteria is?
Yeah. You're gonna go to that tall building.
Translating the sentence, how about you get away from me?
Hey, fellas, do you know if there's a coffee shop around here? I'm so...
If it was, it'd be on this street.
Yeah, let's go make a left right here.
Up in the club looking fly in the muff.
Oh,
Me and my team hide in the muff. Walk around the club like...
it's the Vatican. I have to take it.
Okay.
Holy Father, what's up? Yes. Oh, thank you, Father. Oh, yes.